Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of high-protein nuts that not only keep you full, but also help build muscle. You think just because something is small it can't pack a punch? You think you can waltz into the gym, half-ass your workout, and then stuff your face with any old snack? Wrong. We're about to show you the nuts, literally, that deserve a place in your diet. Let's get started. First up, we've got almonds. These little powerhouses have been fueling athletes and health enthusiasts for centuries. Originating from the Middle East, almonds have a rich history and have been a staple in many cultures for their incredible health benefits. Almonds are like the head chef of the nut world. Reliable, versatile, and packed with protein. Whether you're tossing them into a salad, blending them into a smoothie, or just munching on them raw, they never disappoint. Their versatility makes them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. We're talking about 6 grams of protein per ounce, not some pathetic sprinkle. This makes them an excellent source of plant-based protein, especially for those who are vegetarian or vegan, plus they are rich in essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle. They're also full of healthy fats, the kind that keeps your heart happy and your energy levels from crashing. These monounsaturated fats are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. And let's not forget the fiber content, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Don't even think about reaching for those sugary snacks after a workout. Those might give you a quick sugar rush, but they'll leave you crashing soon after. Instead, almonds provide a steady release of energy, perfect for recovery and keeping you on your game. A handful of almonds will sort you out, keeping you full and satisfied, not sluggish and sorry for yourself. They're the perfect post-workout snack, helping to repair muscle tissue and replenish energy stores. So next time you need a quick, nutritious snack, reach for almonds and feel the difference. Next up, peanuts. These humble legumes are often overlooked, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition. Don't let the name fool you. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses. Peanuts are not just a tasty snack. They are a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from savory to sweet. They're bursting with protein, about 7 grams per serving, which is more than most of their nut counterparts. This makes them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. And hold on, they're not just about muscle. They're also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Peanuts are rich in B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and brain health. We're talking about the good stuff like magnesium and vitamin E. Magnesium is crucial for muscle function and bone health, while vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. So next time you're craving something crunchy and satisfying, ditch the crisps and grab a handful of peanuts. Not only will you be treating your taste buds, but you'll also be doing your body a favor. Peanuts are a great source of healthy fats, which are important for heart health. They also contain fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. So go ahead, enjoy some peanuts and reap the benefits of this amazing superfood. Pistachios, you beautiful green gems. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packing a serious protein punch. We're talking about 6 grams per serving, along with a healthy dose of fiber. Fiber, you see, is crucial for digestion and keeping you feeling full, so while other snacks leave you hungry an hour later, pistachios will keep you going strong. Just try not to eat the whole bag in one sitting, although I wouldn't blame you. Cashews, oh cashews, you creamy, dreamy delights. These guys are like the velvet glove of the nut world, smooth, rich, and surprisingly high in protein. Don't let that delicate flavor fool you. They're here to play, offering up 5 grams of protein per serving. And the best part, they're incredibly versatile. Toss them in a stir-fry, blend them into a creamy sauce, or just snack on them straight from the bag. Walnuts, the brainiac of the bunch. These guys are famous for their omega-3 fatty acids, which are like brain food, keeping your mind sharp and focused. But don't think for a second they've forgotten about your muscles. They're packing a respectable 4 grams of protein per serving, along with a satisfying crunch. So, if you're looking for a snack that's good for your body and your mind, look no further than the mighty walnut. Hazelnuts, the unsung heroes of the nut world. These little guys are often overlooked, but they're packed with flavor and nutrients. We're talking about 4 grams of protein per serving, along with a hefty dose of antioxidants. Antioxidants, you see, are like little warriors fighting off damage in your body. So not only are hazelnuts delicious, but they're also helping you stay healthy from the inside out. Brazil nuts, the big boys of the nut world. These guys are not messing around when it comes to size or nutrition. They're a top source of selenium, a mineral that's crucial for a healthy immune system. And of course, they're bringing the protein with 4 grams per serving. Just remember, a little goes a long way with these guys. 1 or 2 a day is all you need to reap the benefits. Macadamia nuts, the luxurious indulgence of the nut world. These buttery melt-in-your-mouth treats are often associated with desserts, but they're more than just a pretty face. They're packed with healthy fats and offer a respectable 2 grams of protein per serving. So go ahead, treat yourself to a handful of macadamias. You deserve a little indulgence. Pine nuts, the tiny but mighty members of the nut family. Don't let their size fool you. These little guys are bursting with flavor and nutrients. They're a good source of protein with 4 grams per serving, and they're also packed with essential minerals like manganese and zinc. So next time you're looking for a flavor boost, sprinkle some pine nuts on your salad or pasta dish. Pecans, the sweet and satisfying southern belles of the nut world. These guys are famous for their buttery flavor and satisfying crunch. But they're not just a pretty face, they're also a good source of protein, with 3 grams per serving. And let's not forget about those healthy fats, which are good for your heart and brain. So go ahead, enjoy a handful of pecans as a snack or in your favorite dessert. There you have it, folks. The top 10 high-protein nuts. These little powerhouses are not just tasty, but also packed with nutrients that can help you stay energized throughout the day. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, incorporating nuts into your diet is a smart choice. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are excellent sources of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. They will fuel your muscles and provide the energy you need for your workouts. Imagine starting your day with a handful of almonds before hitting the gym, or enjoying a mix of nuts as a post-workout snack. Not only will they help in muscle recovery, but they will also keep you feeling full and satisfied. Remember, choosing healthy snacks doesn't have to be boring. Nuts are a delicious and convenient way to get your protein fix on the go. You can add them to your salads, yogurt, or even bake them into your favorite recipes. So ditch the processed junk and embrace the power of nuts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. See you next time.